Today we have got Dutch police chase ends with suspect pulled from Canal. If you want to see the original video, I'll leave a link in the description. It's been a while since I did a reaction as well on this Netherlands channel, so I've got a link in the description and I'll leave a pinned comment as well if you would like to give a suggestion for videos for me to react to. But yeah, let's get right into this one today. It's a bit of a shorter one, 3.5 minutes. I like the police chase type ones. Yeah, they're pretty cool. Let's get right into it. Ooh. Yeah, it's interesting to me because I'm from Australia. I find it interesting seeing how other countries their police respond to these type of things. But yeah, general disclaimer here.
In Rotterdam, a disguised vehicle was discarded by a courier. The suspect sped through public roads, bike lanes, and even on the park shuttle track.
Wow.
Officers requested, limited in their ability, to stop the vehicle before more danger occurred.
Oh, yeah, I get these little flashbacks. I've done a couple of these type of videos before, but I just remember, my brain was telling me, oh, the Dutch, they're good at this. I just remember last time it was like they were very responsible, and I think maybe they took their time. I can't remember. Obviously, different cases might be, different. It's all situational, but I was just very impressed with how they dealt with it. Okay.
The suspect was directed onto a cycle street, which the students in the area frequent.
Okay. See, those are a couple things connecting as well. I learned how common the cycling is in Netherlands. So maybe that's not surprising. There's cycling path, but obviously he's not abiding by the rules. Everyone's probably really confused. Okay, the tension is building a bit, especially, they're getting closer. Might be coming to an end. Yeah, they're getting him here. Okay, got the second car on the right side. Ooh. Still, again, like I said before, it seems like they're being patient. They're not going too aggressive. Try to take their opportunity to stop this. That was a hit.
The 39-year-old suspect was pulled out of the water by the officers. He was sentenced to 195 days in prison. With 90...
Okay, I'll let it go through it all, but that's fair.
Pulled out of the water by the officers. He was sentenced to 195 days in prison.
Hold on, that was a nice hit, though. Roll this back. That was nice. That was nice. It's like Rocket League vibes.
The 39-year-old suspect was pulled out of the water by the officers. He was sentenced to 195 days in prison, with 90 days conditionally suspended and a 2-year probation period. Why he disrupted the van, he never revealed. What would you have done as the officers in this situation? Would you have made a different choice? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see each other in the next video.
Okay. Yeah. Let me know. Let me know the job. I think they did it very, very effectively. Like, this was more, I've seen, like, I've done a couple of reactions to these types of videos, police chases. I feel this one was done pretty compact. Like, it was done quick. Like, they got the job done. They didn't take too long. And yeah, that final hit that I replayed as well. They saw the opportunity and executed it really expertly without any fuss. Which is good because someone was causing trouble on the road, and that's what their police is there for, to protect innocent citizens. And yeah, I think this one was just executed really expertly. But yeah, you can leave me your opinions on this, and yeah, check out this channel, Police Insider, for more videos. I don't think they're Netherlands specifically, just different police chases if you like that type of stuff. But I'm gonna leave it there. As I said, you can give me suggestions. I've got a link for that for more videos. I want to get into more recordings, so be sure to give me videos to react to that you would like to see my thoughts on. If you're new to my channel, I mentioned earlier as well, I'm from Australia, so yeah, seeing someone from Australia react to Dutch videos, let me know what you'd like to see, and I'll see you in another one.